G'day guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw Donkey Kong from Super Mario. I'm starting with some construction lines and I'm just constructing him up first. This is his mouth section and his eyebrow. Now you remember you can pause this at any time you need to. And then he's got his cool little hairstyle. Now the reason I'm drawing construction lines for this one is because it's pretty tricky and we've got a lot of curves. You can see I'm being fairly free and loose when I draw this, getting all the proportions correct, making it look accurate before I add the pen. Okay, there's Donkey Kong constructed up. I'm going to start with his nostril. So he's got a little nostril shape there with a little bit of a line coming over like that. And you see the other part of the nostril, but you don't see the inner side. Then he's got his mouth coming down like this. And he's got his mouth comes down and around there until it hits the hand. Let's finish this. We're going to leave a little bit here for the hand. So I'm just going to bring a line from about here and I'm going to bring it around and then curve it up to there like that. Now we're going to put his eye in, a circular shape with another circle inside and then with another circle and a little white bit. He's got brown eyes, so this is all white, this is brown. Now you see a little bit of this eye, so it's just in here and white, and then he's got this cool little eyebrow coming across like that, coming in here, gets thinner there, comes out and around. There's his eyebrow. Now his cool hairstyle. Now if you've seen the movie, you'll appreciate if you see all the little game references and the sounds and the graphics. They did a great job, like I said before. I'm not going to spoil what happens though. The Donkey Kong part was pretty impressive, and I love how the Kong land was one of my favourite lands as well. Now he's got this tie. This is where his tie is going to come around. So he's got this little strap here, which is his tie, and then it comes down into his big shoulder, and then another bit of his tricep and down into his elbow, and that comes around there, and then he's got all this little. I'm just gonna create a zigzag line here to show his fur, and then he's got his big forearm there. Now let's draw his hand in here. Comes across, comes up, and there's one finger tucked in there. 2, 3, and then you see a little bit of the bottom part here tucked in there like that. There's his hand. And when we shade, you'll see all his knuckles and so forth. That's one fist. While we're at it, let's do the other fist. So this is 1 finger, 2, 3, 4 fingers. And then he's got his knuckles through there. Then his hand comes into the fluffy part there, and don't forget his thumb tucks in down there, and then this is part of his arm. There we go. Now we've got his chest coming out. Let's bring his chest out to there. Now he's got his little tie piece, a little bit down there, the part where he ties it up. Doesn't have his tie very tight up around his neck, which is good. Then bring this down, bring this across. Now he's got the letters DK on there, which we could do now, but I'm going to do later with the colours. That he's got his chest coming in here, or his stomach, should I say. Now he's got his leg poking out, coming down. This part of his leg, it's lighter. He's got this light belly patch through there. Don't forget to put this line in for his pec. And we've got this part, his other leg coming around, And I like to do the jagged edge like that to show the difference between his furry body and his hands and feet. There's one toe. There's another toe. Another toe. Another toe. And you guessed it, the last toe. And let's put the other side on. Again, the little zigzag. Let's put his thumb toe coming out there. Now this is the bottom of his foot. And that's like the bottom of his foot there. And then this is one of the toes that you see. Second toe. I'm actually going to put them all on now. There we go. And you only really see the first one properly. So there we have Donkey Kong looking pretty cool. Hope you've done a great job at home. I'm sure you have. I'm just going to go around Donkey Kong with a thicker pen.